In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Blackboard Collaborate Ultra recordings. Using the Chrome browser, navigate to your Collaborate Ultra dashboard. On the left-hand side of the black panel, you'll see the hamburger menu icon. Click on this and select Recording from the menu items. By default, this will only show recordings from the last 30 days. You can filter this and instead show recordings in a date range. So for example, I can select a date for the last few months. And now I have a couple of pages of recordings on the list. A student can just click on the name of the recording on the list and then select Watch Now. This will open a new tab in the browser and the recording will begin streaming. Streaming requires the viewer to have an active internet connection for the duration of the video. So another option is to download the video so that it can be watched offline. This option is found on the Recording Options menu, which you can access using the ellipsis icon on the right-hand side of the recording in the list. The download option will only be available for students if the Allow Recording Downloads option is selected in the session settings. Students have access to a similar Recording Options menu, but will have fewer options. The next option is Recording Settings. You can rename the recording, which is recommended, as the default numbered recordings are not very descriptive. There is also an option to allow public access to the recording, which can be useful, for example, if you want to email someone a link to the recording. You also have the option to delete a recording. This can be useful, for example, if you have been doing some practice sessions, you can remove these from the list. Finally, there is also an option to copy the link to the streaming version of the recording. The link is copied to the clipboard, and then that can be pasted into an email or your course content using the web link option on the Build Content menu.